Hey everyone, today we're going to go over a simple variation of knee switches, which I call DX knee switches. And if you don't know what that's a reference to, I've got two words for you. Alright, so this move builds off of knee switches, so if you aren't familiar with that move, you can check out my tutorial of it above or in the description below. Once you've got knee switches down, all we're going to do is look at changing the position of our hands from straight up and down to a crossed X position. It's fairly self-explanatory. The only thing that I personally do to add some extra style to this move is, as I raise my hands up, rather than just simply raising them up and down normally, I sort of roll my hands backwards, almost like I'm threading one hand between the other arm and my chest. Other than that, it's a really simple move that you can just throw in anywhere in your footwork, so give it a shot and let me know how it went in the comments. And as always, learn it, master it, and try and make it your own. Good luck creating, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.